Hello friends, today we are going to draw two caterpillars. For this, first draw circle. Now take another color and draw second circle like this. Now third circle, and now using pink color here we draw last one, that is fourth circle. Same way we are going to draw second caterpillar by using circles. Now fill color in that circle. Use same color as used in outline. Now make outline dark. Of each circle. Here our two caterpillars are ready. Now draw eyes with black color like this. Draw a small flower. Now we are going to draw legs like this with the help of brown color. In this way our two caterpillars are ready. Two funny caterpillars are ready. Now you do practice at your home with the color chalk. Here we are not going to use any pencil, eraser or sketch pen. Use only oil pastel colors.